Hi everyone. I have my Hobonichi Cousin and my double schedule, which I'm using for 2026, even though it's from last year. And I wanted to kind of prepare for February, which I can't really believe it's like the first month of 2026 is basically over. I'm going to redate this and then kind of go over what I've been doing in here. Unfortunately, I still have not really figured out what to do with the daily pages. So all of my daily pages are still completely blank in the Hobonichi. I just haven't thought about it. I just been a little bit busy in the month. I have, if you've noticed, I've been putting up a video almost every single day, and I don't think that's sustainable for the rest of the year, but I wanted to test out how many videos I personally could make if I could keep up with them, and the answer is no. So I just wanted to kind of, I guess, take a look at the weeklies that I've been doing. So the first week of 2026, I used a sticker kit, like leftover stickers from Simply Gilded, and some of these stickers is what I used here for the redating with the date dots. So that was kind of interesting to be able to use up those stickers. And then here I did a bunch of random stickers from my my single page, or I think I posted up reorganizing single pages of my sticker collection, just like random pages. So I used up as just random whatever would work with a lot of writing. If you notice, one thing is that just a lot of writing in my weeklies. Here is when I used the mostly the sticker kits from that haul I did. It's like NYA Naya Cat. So it's a Korean brand. And then I used some PET rolls that I got from Shopee. And this one is a Ohana Story sticker. This one is Seeing Me Draw. And then over here, I went to the Stationery Lover Market, and this one was from Lloyd Design. It was a freebie that I just put down. And then last week, I haven't been able to film the weeklies because I do these mostly in real time, just as things are coming up. And so this was the first week I brought in some just highlighters. So I just have a collection of highlighters. These are super old, but if they still work, that's cool. Big highlight is there was a man named Alex Honnold. He's a US climber that climbed Taipei 101, which is really insane. I went and saw that on the Sunday because it was rescheduled due to rain from the Saturday. And just used these are from Meow Illustration. I have a lot of different washi bits from Once More with Love, and then this is another Once More with Love writable perforated washi tape. So it's the highlighters, and then I also use the Deco Rush metallic. There's Deco Rush. Was that like a roller? What is it? It's these things. Decoration tape. I used the ones with the gemstones. And then for this week, I met up with the owner of Parasol Paper Co. and she had some of the meme cats. So I kind of took out the meme cats that was in the rest of the loop that I had put down to show, because it's not very sticky after you pull it out. So I just kind of put the different things down, and then I'm going to fill this out throughout the rest of this week. So that's my Hobonichi, how I'm using the weeklies. I still would be open to a lot of, maybe you can share some of your videos of how you use your dailies. I think for the entire month of January, I'm going to use these pages for collections. Maybe I'm thinking like last time I washed out the filter of my laundry machine, or maybe like each time that I switch the battery out of like different things, different electronics maybe. So that could be like just a running list, and then I'll just refer to these pages throughout the year. But I still really haven't done anything here. And then so for this, redating my schedule for February, I decided to grab the stickers that I had from, I believe these are from Happy Planner. I don't know, Michael's? I think it's Happy Planner, these sheets. And there are these ones that are totally clear, but then there's also a sheet that has, like it's on white paper. Oh yeah. So all of this is the opaque, and there's these stars. I believe they're the same size that I had a lot of. So I'm thinking there's going to be enough here to cover the days of February. So I'm going to write over it with my pen that still is quite good. This is from Daiso, my Riverie. Oh, it's working pretty well. But I'm just going to write on top of that and redate the entire thing. I really like that way that looks. I think the little stars in the same color, or maybe different colors, actually looks quite nice. It's smaller than the date dots from Simply Gilded. So I quite like that. I'm gonna quickly write through the numbers. And then on top here, to cover up those numbers, I'm gonna use this washi, which has robots. It is the brand, I'm pretty sure this is a Taiwanese brand or a Chinese brand. I'm not sure if it's iTape. And it's like really sticky on the roll, so you have to be really careful as I'm peeling it up. But the designs are super cute. I thought all these colors could match with something here. I think there's like a nice green right there that could match. So I guess that looks fine. And then I will just basically ignoring the rest of like the things on this page. Like it says 2025 up here. Okay, I can write 2026, I guess, but it's really not a big deal. And then over here, it is going to bulk it up a little bit. I'm going to run this washi fit right here. Maybe I'll just run that across here as well to kind of continue on with this theme, this robot theme. And the reason I'm covering this up is because it says the dates on there. So I'll leave the numbers. I'm going to try to cover this up. And I've been trying to use this spread for kind of like habit tracking, but for social media. So like which days I post a video, which days I post a reel. Hasn't been very many days, but I think I'm gonna try to make it work for this month. Okay, and then on top I'm gonna write, so it'll be Sunday, just one day off. I'll just write it with my pen, Sunday. Yeah, so I guess that is it for preparing for February here in my Midori double schedule. Redating it. Oh, there's numbers down here too. I didn't realize that. Interesting. Okay, but that's all I'm going to be doing. I used this iTape robot washi, my Riverie PTR. This is made by Platinum. It's just a really inexpensive Daiso fountain pen. I will link all the videos that are related to these things. I've talked about them in the past, but in my Hobonichi, I've been using highlighters, stickers, random like washi, and then of course my Jinhao pens, the inks that I've been using, I've kind of been mixing them. I know it's not, so you're not supposed to, but in this one, I've mostly been using Bayou Berry Mist and the Sad Charade. I've noticed that I don't put shimmer in these ones, and then this is supposed to be, I believe, an extra fine nib, but the ink, I guess maybe it's too wet. It writes like a broad, I think, but it's very smooth still. And then here I don't know. I've mixed up all of my fountain pen inks, but I mostly am using these. I have some sheening ink in this that I still haven't finished using, and it's literally like every single time I touch it, it's still wet, which I'm so confused about. I guess I can't use any sheening inks in my planners or in anything really until I find some better paper, more absorbent paper. Oh, and then of course I used these like date dot thingies. But that's it for this video. And of course, if you have some posts about how to use your Hobonichi Cousin dailies, please let me know. I would love to see what you've been up to. So that's it for this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.